going live only a short 6 minutes late.
Woo! Okay, Brian. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay. Let's roll the song, shall we?
You want to let it roll for a couple minutes? Or?
No, we're already late. I got shit to do today.
Ooh, I like it. And your coffee.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. D&B got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. D&B got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Ho ho ho! Good morning, you beautiful stoners. Welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
And since there was daylight savings, now we're going to be your favorite lunchtime show.
Yeah, hop on, listen during your lunch break. Hell yeah.
Lunch break. Huge shout out to Mad Terp Labs. Thank you for being our cannabis sponsor. Pick these up at Mesa in Flagstaff, Arizona. These are solventless pre-rolls. They fucking rip. They last about 20 minutes. Go get high, everybody.
They do fucking rip.
Got, baby.
You know what else rips? Cheat Code Algorithm fucking rips it up. What an amazing sponsor. They are an algorithm to help you trade the stocking market. That's at least the third time that I've done that. If you're really into stocks, stockings, and other foot coverings, then yeah, check out Cheat Code Algorithm. Algorithm works with TradingView to help you give you buy and short signals, and it's a great thing. Check it out. Use the link in the description and help out the show. Apparently, I cannot talk this morning. I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited, Dave. About
what are you excited about?
I'm excited about our new fucking artwork out of nowhere yesterday.
Oh, is there any way you can bring it up?
Yes, I'm gonna bring it up right now. Yeah,
so sexy.
It is indeed very sexy. Yeah.
It was past my bedtime when you sent it to me, so I was sleeping.
You were sleeping. But yeah, we boom, just pulled it up. Shout out to Cody Walker, aka Code Lee Walker, or Code Lee Art on Instagram. I just want to get it right.
Yeah, Code Lee Co Art. IG Code Lee Co Art.
Cool. Yeah,
I remember that.
He is he's great. He made me a Christmas present a couple years ago, and then this was just a surprise last night. Our friend Hillary, shout out to Hillary of Broken Drift. She was like, hey, I had this made for you. I did not know this was coming. I had no fucking clue. And then she just sent this over, and I was like, this is amazing. This is like the greatest gift ever. It was Devin's birthday. I got presents.
What'd you guys do for her birthday?
Well, Sunday we went out and got sushi. And then yesterday, work day yesterday. So she worked. She went to and from Flagstaff, and then we went to Nami for dessert. She wanted to go. Yeah, she wanted to go out to dinner on Sunday, so I was like, sure. We could have went out to dinner on both days, if I'm being perfectly honest. But went out Sunday, and then got some vegan ice cream yesterday. Quite nice.
Yeah, it looks like you had a great day.
It was a pretty nice day. Yeah.
Oh, that's fucking awesome.
So yeah,
I really like that artwork, bro.
I know, it's awesome. Shout out to Cody.
Right now.
I love it. It's so dope.
Before we start getting into stocks, I also want to shout out that I had a great conversation with the owners yesterday, and I believe today I have to make a decision on what type of event we want to pursue first. So we are throwing events again, everybody. I can't fucking wait. Cannabis events are here. I have not discussed if it's going to be for both medical and recreational or for just medical. Not sure yet. We still have to talk to some attorneys, get some shit cleared, but they are fucking here. If you guys follow us on IG, you guys can help pick if you want to see Creative Comedy 3 or the AZ Hash Bash.
Fuck yeah, man. That's awesome. Personally, as a comedian, I would rather see Hash Bash. I would rather I would rather just fucking let's party. You know, you could pretend like Corona's over. Let's party. I don't want to sit down and be held captive to anybody. I want music. I want marijuana. I want your boss's family to sneak in booze like they did to the first concentrated comedy. I want it all. I want it all.
And it's going to happen. It's going to be here a lot sooner than you think.
Beautiful. Hell yeah.
All right, let's just jump right into it now, baby.
Hey,
can you?
did you get the new Terp sticks yet or no?
Nope, not yet. I gotta get that today. That reminds me.
I might
send an email yesterday.
if you do get it today, let me know because I might be relatively close to your area, like at 6. I have a long day after this.
Ooh, I got nothing to fucking do, so I'll probably go today. And then yeah, let's meet up later, possibly.
Okay.
You discovered, I don't know if it was last week or 2 weeks ago, that this website explained why the market is red.
Yeah.
Does that automatically update every day, or does it only for red days?
Well, it's green today, so
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, does it have like a nice happy saying?
it's called why the market. It's why the market is up or down. Why the market is up. The market is up today, and here's why. U.S. stocks jumped on Tuesday after bond yields declined. House prepares to pass 1.9 trillion COVID relief bill. Your boy still hasn't seen it. And NASDAQ surges as tech stocks rebound. See, here's the thing. You go to this site and it says, why is the market up today? And you're like, oh, the market's up today. Honestly, tech's up today.
Yeah.
Like, if you, I pulled up FinViz just right now. I'm going to try to move us here. But like, look, the market is over 50% red without a doubt. It's just that Microsoft, Apple, tech and semiconductors is doing fucking hot right now.
That's the only thing that's fucking hot. Oh, God.
Yeah, pretty much everything else is down.
Yeah, awful day in my book.
But yeah, tech's having huge gains. I mean, the semiconductor section is all green. Everybody's doing great in semiconductors. You know, nobody gives a fuck about penny stock land, man.
Nope. All right, let's talk about Apple first.
Okay.
So, according to a Webush analyst who on Monday raised his share price target of the tech giant from 160 to 175 for Apple, it is trading around 126 right now.
Yep.
I don't have any news about why he raised it. That's what the article just had.
Probably because it's Apple. Maybe because it's Apple.
It's been struggling a little bit, though. Last couple days have been good.
Yeah. I mean, like, it's pretty crazy. I don't know why it's not. It's like stuck in this mid 120s purgatory. It breaks through only to come crashing right back down. I don't know.
Yeah, it looked good, though.
It did, yeah. The split, I mean, it would have been great if the split for Apple works like it did for Tesla. Like, Tesla's split was borderline genius, you know, like, goddamn, what did the stock price double afterwards? Apple's? It was like, I'm gonna go up $1.
Nope. That's when you got Dev into it, right behind you. Dev was bought some Apple shares, right?
Believe so, yeah.
Yeah, that's so funny. Yeah, so that's gonna be super interesting to see if they can hit 175. That's pretty fucking high, though. It's like 3 trillion, I believe the market cap is.
That's a lot.
If I can recall correct, 2.1 trillion.
That's twice as much as Bitcoin.
Yeah. All right, and that means it's not going to double, but they expect it to go up like 35%. Oh,
that's a lot.
But $2.1 trillion company. Dumb. All right, what else do I got? There's this SPAC that somehow did not catch my radar yesterday.
SPAC.
You know how I am with SPACs. SPAC.
Dude, you gotta close the window, buddy.
So, this one, ticker FTCV, SPAC FinTech acquisition, jumped 24% in hours trading on a report that it plans to take the Israeli trading platform eToro public.
Wow.
eToro's going public, baby.
Hey, you missed the boat on that one. If you had brought it up yesterday, we could have made a lot of money.
I know. That was my bad. I think it it happened after the show. Mm-hmm. But public in a deal that will value the company at about $10 billion. Woo!
Nice. Hell yeah.
So when I was doing some due diligence, I found this girl called Betsy Cohen. Have you ever heard of Betsy Cohen?
Nope.
It's a founder of some online commercial bank. But But she reminds me of another Kathy Woods, my dude. She has like 4 different fucking ETFs. Or no, so instead of ETFs, she has SPACs. So she's ready to go. 79 years old.
Queen, huh?
SPACs. 79, still crushing it. Killing
Damn,
it.
good for her.
Is that going to be us, Brian? Are we going to be 79 years old?
Oh, I hope to never be 79. That sounds awful.
You don't want to be 79?
Nah, I'd want to skip it. Go right to 80.
Was that what?
I'm just fucking with you.
I was like, did that go right over my head? Because I have no idea why he's saying that.
Yeah, no, I'm just fucking with you.
All right, let's go into the EV news, my dude.
Always some EV news.
Oh, EVs. Yeah, so I get all my news resources from Yahoo Finances, Investors.com, Market Watch. Those are the big players. Sometimes NBC, but sometimes. But
Okay.
Ford, let's pull up Ford, my dude. F. The ticker is F.
F.
So I had to do a little bit of research because I didn't fully grasp what all these offerings were. When you hear when Ford came out and said that there's going to be a $2 billion convertible sales notes coming out, I was like, what the fuck does that mean? So I had to break everything down. Do you know what any of that stuff means?
No, why don't you explain it?
So a senior convertible note takes priority over any other debt security. And convertible notes are sometimes viewed as the best of both worlds for the company and investors. So it's pretty much like a loan. So when I read Ford announces Tuesday plans to offer $2 billion in convertible senior notes due 2026 in a private placement to qualified institutional buyers, I was like, what the fuck does that mean? But they're letting some people buy in. That's pretty cool.
Nice.
Yeah. It's, so many things I just don't understand. I literally learn something new every single day.
Yeah, there you go.
What the hell's a convertible senior note? You know, the fuck? Could you tell me what that was before I explained it?
No.
Yeah, see, exactly. Because the same exact thing happened with NKLA.
NKLA.
N-I-K. Oh, NKLA.
NKLA.
But this is a different one. I was I just didn't understand. So NKLA is planning to raise capital by the way of a $100 million stock sale to investors, according to a filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. So they're going the opposite way. They want to raise capital.
Dilution. That sounds like dilution.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it could go either way. Is it really bad for the company? Is it really good for the company?
They're trying to sell. They're opening up more shares, right, to get more money. Yeah. So that.
Yeah.
I mean that more shares equals dilution equals the stock price is going to go down. You know, say right now there's. Would you say they're trying to raise $100 million?
100 million, yes.
Yeah. So they're trying. That means I mean I can't do that math that quick, but say another 80 million shares?
Yeah.
No, 8 million shares maybe?
Hmm.
What's 8 times 15? That'd be 120.
60?
No, 8 times. Yeah, so maybe
God, Jesus.
7 million shares at the current stock price. I don't know. That's a lot. That's a lot of extra shares to add. So yeah,
So
you'll probably see NKLA go down.
I did do some digging about why they wanted to do that, though. So after 3 fucking websites later, the automaker said in its filing, it first noted that of the Financial Times, it intends to use the net proceeds from the offering of general corporate purposes and for funding the completion of the manufacturing facility in Arizona.
Arizona.
Bro, they lost $37 billion.
That's what happens when you're fraudsters. I don't...
37 billion.
Watch
Their market
fucking
cap has
CCIV
fallen
turn into the
37
next
billion.
NKLA.
Oh my god. How do you fall $37 billion? Blows my mind.
You lie.
Well, the thing is, and this is what's confusing, because the last part about this is the first time I heard this. It says the Phoenix, Arizona-based company expects to provide prototype fuel cell tray model trucks to Anheuser-Busch for testing in 2022.
Wow. Yeah, hopefully they can get it to them for testing. Hopefully something exists by then. That's a year away.
That is a year away, but that's a big company. If somehow NKLA is like the EV fucking trucks to all the Anheuser-Busch trucks delivering beer across the country.
Sure.
That's funny.
Yeah, that'd be something.
All right, so switch it up from some EVs, kind of pretty much EV still. I got some shit about fuel cell and another Swedish battery company. So if you want to type in F-Cell,
FCEL.
FCEL, Stock tumbles after wider than expected loss. Revenue fell well below forecast. Look how this much fell, bro. Oof.
When?
Today, or just
wow.
in general.
I mean, it was, so Feb 10, it was at 29.
Yeah, so the last month. How much it's fallen?
Everything's fallen in the last month. You were saying this tumble, I mean, since when? Like,
well, just
it's
like
up since the 4th. Yeah.
Well, look at yesterday. Look how much it sank yesterday.
It's $2.
It's still a lot. It's a $15 stock. That's a lot.
I don't know.
No. Because we were following this when all this was going up during the EV craze. You don't remember when it hit fucking 30? We were like, oh my god, F-cell?
Yeah, it shouldn't have been, but like I'm saying, like, okay, so it straight climbed up to, it really did climb up to 30. Like, if you're looking at it, it's like stair steps. And then that sell-off, like, everything, I feel like everything sold off at around Feb 10. You know what I mean? So, like, yeah. There's a goddamn mountain peak right now, but you're saying it tumbled right now, and it's like, I mean, it's up.
I wouldn't say this is the first time I've looked at F-cell in a minute, so it's just I should say it's recently.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks like, I mean, it looks like it definitely has the potential to go tumbling, but right now it's like, this isn't the worst thing I've seen. There are a lot worse.
Oh yeah, 100%. But still, went from $30 to $10.
Yeah, I mean, that tumble down to 10 is fucking terrifying.
Terrifying. All right, let's go to another one. So this one's called a Swedish battery. They're another Swedish battery manufacturer called Northvolt. They received an ordership of $14 billion for batteries for Volkswagen.
Do they have a ticker or nah?
Nah, no ticker.
Okay. We'll continue to look at fuel cell.
Yeah. Well, the reason why I brought that up, the big guy clears up some questions about where Volkswagen will be getting the batteries for its huge push into electric vehicles, which will see the automaker reach production capacity of 1.5 million electric vehicles by 2025.
Okay.
I think that's big news.
Yeah.
We don't really follow VWAGgy.
No. Yeah, I don't even know if you can trade. It's an OTC one. VWAGgy.
All right.
That's man, look at that. Look at that fucking short squeeze, though, baby.
The VWAGs?
Yeah. That one was fun.
Because this was the original pump and dump.
Not pump and dump.
The Reddit pump. The Reddit pump.
What?
Wasn't this the original Reddit pump?
No.
Before GameStop. Like the original, or maybe the original short squeeze.
Yeah.
They made it like short squeeze and famous.
Yeah, but Reddit had nothing to do with it.
Yeah, I just got pulled Reddit out of my ass. I didn't realize it was just the first major short squeeze.
It's a big one. I think they might have made movies about it. Or
I think
a movie?
they did. That's why I brought it up. I don't know. Did they?
I haven't seen the movie called The Short Squeeze, which is about a short squeeze.
All right. Let's get into pharma for everybody that likes pharma companies. Usually penny stocks of pharma companies that I've seen multiple pharmaceutical companies go from $1 to $15 really quick.
Oh, yeah.
Hoping Jagex will do the same.
Yeah.
How's our baby Jagex doing?
How's my little kitten?
Man, I hope it's just sleeping. You know, it's just stretching right now. Hopefully it's gonna attack. I want this motherfucker to attack. Down 3.5%. Down 8 cents.
What the
Still
fuck?
We're just sitting on, just waiting patiently. Just patiently.
My graph just got so fucking...
All right.
So messed up.
So I read an article this morning, and they had
there it is.
Three top pharmaceuticals to look for right now. They're not penny stocks. They're all like $20 to $40. They're decent market caps.
Okay.
The first one's called it's PPD, the ticker, PPD. So this company provides development services to pharmaceutical, biotechnology, medical device, and government organizations to bring drugs to the market faster.
Interesting. Yeah, it literally just popped. Like, well, nothing crazy, but $2. Do you know why?
So it has a little bit more information. In quarter 4, 2022, net income attributed to common shareholders was $73.1 million, up more than tenfold from the same quarter a year earlier.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, because we don't really follow pharmaceutical companies that much, besides Jagex.
Yeah, no, they, I mean, they do get, pharma stocks get, like, massive pumps out of nowhere, which is very nice, but they're very volatile. And then you kind of get stuck in purgatory for a little while, and your will is tested, as mine is constantly with Jagex. Not really, I don't even, it's like whatever. It's just chilling there. She'll have her day.
You haven't seen Kylie in a minute.
I haven't seen Kylie in, like, 2 months.
I know. She's our farmer girl.
She was our farmer girl.
She was. Our farmer girl left. All right, Kylie, I see how you are. Hopefully you're still making money.
Yeah.
All right. Next one is Eagle Pharmaceuticals. Ticker is EGRX.
EGRX.
So these guys have several products, including, I'm going to butcher every name.
Of course you are.
I'm just going to say what it is. It's muscle relaxants, chemotherapy, treat leukemia, and certain non-Hodgkin lymphoma.
You did good with most of those words.
I couldn't say the name. I just actually have to say like what it was. The net income was 8.1 million, 8 times the year before. How do you think about this one?
Love me some muscle relaxers, that's for sure. Great, what a day, you know? Take one of those and just feel like Jello for 8 hours. Good shit. Pharmaceutical company. 8.1 million seems low for what they offer. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like, it's like, what do you can't get more than that? Is that just Q4 or is that for the year?
That was just Q4.
Okay.
Well, that's still really low because the volume is only at 10,000 and the market cap's 580 million. Yeah,
so I mean, so that's a fairly small cap company.
Ooh, I got a little bit more information about them. The earnings jump was fueled by the fruits of a broad range of cost containment actions precipitated by COVID-19. This included low selling, general, and administrative expenses due to reduced legal costs and cut in travel-related expenses. Whatever that means. Last one I got, EBS is the ticker. EBS. Emergent Biosolutions.
Okay.
They sell major products like anthrax vaccines and Narcan.
Narcan. Yeah, if you overdose, get to a firefighter so they can shoot you with Narcan.
Yep. So it says that Q4's 2020 profit nearly quadrupled from a year ago as revenue rose by 61.8% year over year.
They have seen better days.
Yeah.
For example, that February sell-off hit them particularly hard. They were at $126.
Oh, yeah, back at 94.
Yeah, that's a rough one.
That is a rough one.
Yep. Wow.
Maybe it might come back. I'm not sure. But yeah, Narcan.
Interesting.
All right. Now we finally get to talk about cannabis stocks, Brian.
Oh yeah.
Cannabis stocks.
Hey, let's check my ETF first. It's MJ.
Ooh, let's do it.
Oh wow. See, this is another one that really got hit by the February sell-off. Feb 11, my ETF was at $36 MJ, and today it is at $24.17. It just had quite the fall off. So cannabis overall has probably been affected pretty hard by that sell-off.
Bro, the whole industry's red.
Whole industry's red.
Whole industry. I said it right this time instead of genre.
What do you got?
The reason why I brought that up, I didn't know this. I should have already known this. It's like, since cannabis is federally illegal in the U.S., the NASDAQ and the NYSE do not allow listings to the companies that handle the plant directly.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Did not know that.
I didn't know that.
But that's why they're Canadian fucking stock markets. They allow it.
Huh.
Is that fucked? Yeah, like I went. That's reading another 3 fucking going down the rabbit hole in these cannabis stocks. So I got a couple news things. One of them is about Grow Generation too.
Okay.
So it says Green Rose Acquisition Corp, GNRS, a cannabis-focused special purpose acquisition company, has agreed to buy 4 U.S. cannabis companies for $210 million, while growing suppliers retailer Grow Generation, ticker GRWG, has acquired, I'm going to butcher this, Charcoyer, I'm so bad. I can't believe I'm mispronouncing this. Which produces some hydroponic growing materials made from coconut fiber. It's like char. It's CHARCOIR. Choir.
I don't know.
It's like the fucking when you get a coconut, the outside, like those fibers.
Okay.
Yeah. So apparently they bought a company out. What was so crazy about the Greenhouse Acquisition Corp though? The companies to be acquired by Greenhouse are Shango Holdings, FutureWorks, TheraPlant, and True Harvest. Those companies together run a handful of dispensaries, cultivations, and processing facilities across 7 states. Which I was talking about this with fucking Frank this morning, and he's like, "How much do you think it would cost for someone to buy all right and just buy everything?" And I was like, $100 million, and I was way off. It's apparently $210 million.
210 million. Yeah.
$210 million.
Damn. Yeah, so basically they're just buying an entire operation start to finish, self-contained.
Yeah. Yeah. So now they're off NASDAQ now and onto the OTC market.
Because of this they're off NASDAQ.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So it says the CEO is like, enrolling up to 4 companies, Green Rose hopes to tap US states where licenses operate are limited, like Nevada, Arizona, and Connecticut.
Huh.
I'll be looking out for that, sir. I know the name. So if I see you, I will connect the dots.
Yeah.
But $210 million.
Damn.
And then Grow Generation, that company that I told you that I butchered the name completely.
Yeah.
So what they did, the deal comes as Grow Generation expands its private label offerings. A private label product is manufactured by a contract or a third party. So the retail chain will keep its name, but now sell their products that are derived from coconut husks. That's what I'm going to say instead of actually saying the name.
Yeah, please don't say the name. I don't even know the word you're trying to say, so I couldn't even begin to...
Dude, go to Google, type in CHAR, then space, then another word, COIR.
Just sit down.
I just have no idea how to fucking say it.
Chill. Just chill.
How do you say that?
I don't know.
Yeah, see? At least I'm not... All right.
Are you pissed? You can leave.
Charcoir.
Yeah, I don't know how to say that. I know I'm going to butcher it.
I don't know.
I don't know. All right, that's all I got for news, bro. Let's go on our watch list. What are you looking at? What's green in your day?
Nothing?
Nothing.
Yeah,
I
what
thought you said it was green. I thought you said you were having a green day.
I didn't say that.
Oh, I thought you said you were.
When did I say that? How dare you?
You might have
No.
just said like the market was green.
No, like I said, it says why the market is up, but like I said, you look at it, I mean, it feels mostly red. I think most of the shit that I'm in is red-ish. Nothing crazy, which is nice, but it's like definitely better days.
Oh, definitely better days. It's so funny because like when you go scroll through our watch list, everything's in bulk, and so you'll see like a group of green and a group of red right next to together.
Yeah.
So like Comcast and Fox, like they're green.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's up today. Comcast, they're green.
Netflix.
Same thing with like Home Depot, Walmart, and then e-gaming. E-gaming's up today.
Yeah. I didn't even know e-gaming had a section on FinViz, and it does. We learned this today.
Yeah.
It's right here under telecom, electronic gaming. Look at that.
Learning shit.
Isn't
Love
that
it.
nice?
I love it.
Yeah, learn something new every day, just like Dave said.
No
Afria just kind of popped up because Hindenburg is short Afria now.
No.
Yeah, that came out, I think, today.
How did not see that?
Yeah.
Is there an article you can bring up real quick?
No
way. We hate this guy. We learned very quickly when Brian and I entered the market who this guy was when we entered IDEX. Immediately shut us down. Broke our hearts immediately. Like, who the fuck is Hindenburg? And now he's attacking Afria?
See, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to find it. That's an ass. Somebody had like posted a tweet from him.
Oh no. Guy just won't go away.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep scrolling here, see if I can't find it. If you see any asses or whatever on Stock Twist. I'm sorry, I can't stop it.
Cool. While you bring that up, what else we have is red. I'm still watching AMC though. I still think AMC is gonna pop more. I wouldn't invest into it personally, but I just wouldn't be surprised to see it at fucking $20 soon.
That'd be nice. I have a $19 call for like a month out. I got it for cheap.
Yeah, AMC and GME are both down. BlackBerry is green today. Look at that.
Is it? Maybe there is some green in my
Up
my
1%,
portfolio.
baby.
Hey, yeah. I just haven't even looked. It's better. It's better if you don't stare at it all day. I swear to God.
Yeah. Yep. I've been cleaning the house the last couple of days or yesterday.
Wow, what a little houseboy! Look at you.
Yep. Just 'cause I have 2 stocks or 3 stocks now. So I'm just letting it grow, just waiting patiently so I can sell out, get a good position somewhere else.
Nice.
But SOS is being a fucking.
Well, Noctis, you're gonna, dude. I can't wait for you to paper hands SOS for it to blow up, so that we can hear you complain about yet another one. While you're like, I made a profit. I made $18. I made $18.
I'm not getting rid of it. I'm just sitting here patiently waiting for it to
actually
pop up.
be patient. Just do you remember when OCGN blew up and you paper hands it like after 30 cents and then it went up $6 like 10 minutes later?
Yeah.
And then like another $5 the next day. It was just like, bro, what are you doing?
Yeah, my decisions were not the best.
Yeah.
Live and you learn, Brian. You live and you learn. Ebon's finally green, so maybe things will be turning around right now. All fucking crypto stocks are down. It's just been sucking all day. Mar down, right? Ebon, SOS. Yeah, gross.
Nice.
Do you have anything else you want to leave it off, Brian?
I don't believe that I do. Just thanks again to Cody for the image. Just beautiful.
Yeah, it's fucking awesome.
Yeah. Can't ever have anybody else do anything for the show. He's the guy now.
That's badass.
Yeah.
Now we have a guy.
Yeah.
We need a guy.
Yeah, we need one.
We need one. We got one.
We got one.
We got
That's
one.
not to say though, if you like watch and or listen to the show and you want to make something, like you want to draw something, don't be discouraged. Send it our way. I'm just saying, like,
do.
if we're commissioning anybody, it's probably gonna be Cody. I mean, that shit was just dope.
Yeah, that was fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Again, thank you for Mad Terp Labs, Green Farms Dispensaries. Go check them out. They are at Mesa and Flagstaff. These are fucking awesome. Go get high, everybody.
Yeah. Yeah. And yeah.
Play that theme song, baby.
I will play that theme song.
Do we have a new Twan Murda song today? Or?
Oh, I haven't pulled it up.
Oh, okay.
Maybe we'll do it
Tomorrow.
maybe like tomorrow or maybe Friday. I don't know.
All right. Free for all Friday.
See
Sell
you
it Friday.
all.
All right, everybody. Peace out.
Here we go. Yeah.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Peace.